Okay, Queen, so today I'm going to show you how I get my Bomb AF twist out. I always get so many questions how I do my hair, and this is how I do it. Okay, so it's wash day, and I'm going to start my wash routine with Mix Easy shampoo and conditioner. This brand is so awesome. You customize your formula, whatever you want to put in it, whatever ingredients, they allow you to do that. I will leave a code later on in the video and talk more about it. But first I'm going to shampoo my hair and get all that dirt and buildup out, and then I'm going to do a oil and conditioner concoction. So basically this is my deep condition concoction that I'm doing. I always mix a conditioner and oil, and I'll put it in my hair and I'll massage it in and let it sit for up to an hour or 24 hours depending on the time I have. As you can see, it looks so good already. Like, this conditioner is putting in so much work right now. Pro tip, you want to definitely massage your scalp. Massage the products into your scalp. Not only will it get the blood flowing, and that helps with hair growth, but it feels good.
Day 2.
So I did end up letting it sit overnight for a complete 24 hours. I completely understand if you can't let it sit for a full 24 hours, but keep in mind, the longer you let it sit, the better effect it will have on your hair. Try to do your hair on a day you have absolutely nothing to do. So I'm just going to separate my hair in half from ear to ear. I'm going to pin up the top first and work on the bottom. I'm using Bella Curl's leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff. Oh my gosh, like, I got this from Family Dollar. Like, can you believe that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to massage it in the scalp, massage it in the hair, just all over, and then I'm going to use a moisturizer. This is going to help keep my hair moisturized throughout the week. I do my hair every other week, so every 2 weeks. So this stuff is Motion's hair lotion, I think it is. I'll leave everything I use in the description bar, of course, but that stuff smells so good. After that, I'm going in with a Bella Curls product. Once again, it's like a curl smoothie. This is going to help make my curls pop, honey. And when I say, like, Bella Curls can do no wrong for me, and it's so cheap, oh my gosh, like, I just adore them. So after that, I did go in with the oil. It's not on here, but I went in with a light oil. You definitely want to go in with a light oil when you're trying to style your hair. A heavy oil is better for protective styles. So now I'm just going to separate my hair and flat twist. Now, these are not the best parts like you see YouTubers doing. Sis, let me tell you, I'm not trying to win an award for best twist out, well, best flat twist. I'm just going to twist my hair all over my head and call it a day, because I'll be taking these out the next day. So it's no point in me trying to do all these perfect parts and perfect twists. So as you can see, my parts are all crazy. After I twist the back up and put a few curls in it so my hair won't be as long, I want my ends to be curly too. That's why I put the curls in. I got those from the beauty supply store. I'm going to twist the front. Mind you, I did the exact same thing I did to the back. So I conditioned it, moisturized it, put the curl smoothie in to help my curls pop, and then I sealed all of that in with the oil. The oil is going to lock in the moisture and keep your hair healthy and moisturized. Mind you, queens, the key to any twist out, braid out, bantu knot, any of that kind of style that you're going to let your hair out is detangling. You have to detangle your hair. Your hair has to be nice and detangled in order for this to work. If you don't detangle your hair as good, you're going to take out your hair and it's going to be frizzy. So to get that curl definition, you need to detangle. It's very important. I use a soft bristle brush I got from Walmart, and that helps me detangle. As you can see, I am all done.
Day 3.
Okay, so it is the next day. My hair is completely dry. It's 100% dry, and it is time to take my hair down. Look at my hair. First of all, my hair is naturally dull, so to have that much shine, I am gagging, honey. Like I said, a pro tip, use a light oil. I use Argan Oil to take down my twists. That is going to keep the definition, and it's not going to be as frizzy. As you can see, I am, listen to this. Look, I am going crazy. Like, I can't believe it myself. Yeah, so rub your twist with a light oil before taking it down. Just rub it through your hair, and then have it on your hands and start to take out your twist. Your hair will literally slip out of the twist out, or the flat twist. So definitely keep that in mind. Hunty, I am gagging at how this came out. Mind you, this is the initial takedown. I have yet to separate or fluff out. So here you can see I am separating my hair. Wherever it wants to separate, I separate. I don't force it. That's how you create frizz. And then I'm going to take my pick and fluff my hair out, and we are done. Okay, this is the final product. I am more than happy with this, but it's full. It has the volume I want. Girl, let me tell you, them products got me feeling but my hair feels so healthy under this twist out, and that conditioner and shampoo, just my hair loved it. You can see she is more than behaving. I have not had a great twist out like this in a long time. You hear me? I want to thank Mix Easy for sponsoring this video and sending me and my queens a coupon code. Sis, not only did they send me these products, but they also sent me a code for my sis to get some money off. Like, what? I'm telling you, like, you have complete control of the ingredients you put in your shampoos and conditioner. And I am a natural hair connoisseur when it comes to my nothing but the best for her, and she loves it. I do not get commission off of that coupon code. That was just them being very generous with me and my subscribers. I am extremely honored, and oh my gosh, my hair looks amazing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you achieve your best twist out and live your best life. Your best life. You'll see me in the next video. Alright, I'm doing too much. Okay, I will see you in the next video, sis.